What happened, China? What is that? Give me. What is that? What do you have in your hand?
Mommy.
What is this? Tell me.
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day? What's that, Aditya? What is it?
It's Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day!
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Jaina. You're so cute, huh? Thank you. Give me a huggy. Thank you. Ooh, Mama got some gifts. Let's see what I got. I got. Yes, what is this? Look at this beautiful card. See, everybody.
Amazing.
Look at this card. Shaina and Aditya gave me. And it says Shaina and Aditya. And with this signature. Oh, and let me show. Shaina will show it. Beautiful card. It has flowers. See, it has 3D flowers. And this one flower, pink flower. What does the card say? Thank you for being wonderful woman and wife you are. Happy Mother's Day. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Best mom, Adi and China. It's a 50 minutes massage. Yay!
What?
Mama is happy.
For what?
I'm gonna get a massage.
What is it?
Like the way Mama give you massage on your face. What is this last thing? Oh my God. Oh my Guji Aditya, what is this? Burberry Brit. Ah, perfume. It's a perfume. It's a perfume, Mama.
Flower.
I think I have it. No, I don't. I don't have this one. I have the other one. The other one is different. I have the touch, blue
What is
Burberry
this?
touch. This one is different and it says
box.
Burberry Brit. Say Happy Mother's Day. Either. Here.
I can't smell it.
Namaste. Happy
Happy
Mother's
Mother's
Day.
Day.
Oh, so cute. Adi, smelling so good, Chena. Adi smelling good? Ah, Aditya is smelling good too. Yay! Thank you. Give me a huggy. Mwah. Thank you, Aditya. Mwah. Thank you, China. And thank you, Papa. At the end, thank you for
you.
watching
Watching for my videos.
and
Thanks for giving. Subscribe for my channel. Bye. And then we'll buy some more hats.